At this time, I would like to call up a representative from District Attorney Eric Gonzalez, James Lynn.
Thank you, Councilman. District Attorney Gonzalez regrets that he could not be here today, but he sent myself and 4 other of my colleagues to be here to stand in unity with the community against violence and against hatred. We want to, of course, DA Gonzalez and the entire office and all of us here want to convey our deepest sympathies and condolences to the family, friends, and colleagues of the 3 victims. And we want to assure you, the District Attorney's Office, DA Gonzalez wants to assure you that these crimes are being investigated as hate crimes. Diversity is a strength of this city, of Sheepshead Bay, of this borough. And we stand here united, supporting diversity and also standing against violence and hatred. The District Attorney's Office is going to be working together with the police department to investigate and prosecute this case to as best as we can. And we just want to know that the citizens of this borough of Sheepshead Bay, they shouldn't only just feel safe, they should be safe. And we will dedicate ourselves to that goal. And again, I thank the councilman for holding this event.